Hello everyone. In this video we'll be talking about different access specifiers used in C++ programming language. Basically, to support data hiding facility in C++ we have different type of access specifiers which we can see here in the screen. We have private access specifier, public access specifier and protected access specifiers. Now what exactly the difference between public, private and protected? So if we look at the C++ program, here we can see this is a C++ program, sample format for C++ program. In C++ program there are two different parts. The first part contains class definition, means the class which we have declared along with the data member and member function. This is the one part. And the second part in the C++ program is containing a definition of main function which is outside the class definition. So if we consider these two parts, then we can see that a C++ program is being divided into two parts. One, the first part is the class definition and second part is the main function. Now considering these two parts, we can see that all the private data members means data members which are declared private can only be accessed within this class definition. It means that if I have declared a variable integer a here as private, that data member cannot used in this main function. Why? Because it is private. That's why it has written that private data member only accessible within the class, not throughout the program, only within the class. So that particular variable can accessible only within this blue part mentioned here, that is class definition. Second type of access specifier is public access specifier. The meaning is a data member declared as public can be accessed in this particular part, means within the class definition it can be accessible, or it can be accessible in main function also. But in main function it has to be accessed with the help of object of this particular class. And protected access specifier basically used in inheritance. So we will discuss it later on. Now we try to understand the same concept by one program. So here we have written one program. So the program in which we have declared one class named as test. This is test class, and in test class this is the public access specifier. This access specifier is being written like this: keyword public is to be used and we need to put colon. After that whatever is written is considered to be public. So in this public section what I have declared one variable named as a, means it is a data member, and this data member is public data member. Why? Because it has written under the section of public. Then this is a member function I have declared, void get value. Get value member function is to get the data of a and b. So we have used c in a and b to get the value of a and b. Then another member function is declared here. Now suppose I need to make something private. So I have used here private access specifier and I have put the colon afterwards, and in that section I have declared one variable data member, that is integer b. So the meaning here is integer b is private data member and integer a is public data member. The meaning we can take out of this is, in the previous discussion we have seen that all your C++ program is divided into two parts. The first part is the class definition. So this is the class definition. The selected portion you can see on your screen is the class definition area. So it is class. So all your private data members are accessible only within this area. The meaning is variable b, which is declared as private, can only be accessed within this class. And the second portion in our C++ program is a main function. So this is main function. So variable b cannot be accessed in main. Why? Because it is declared as public. Now let's see. So in total this is my class test. I have declared one public data member, that is integer a, public member function get value, print value, private data member integer b, and private member function show value. Now in main function what I am doing, I am creating the object of test class test t1. So t1 is the object. Now using the object t1 dot get value means using t1 object I am accessing method get value. This is my get value method. So this method will be called, it will get the value of a and b. After that what I have done, I have accessed print value method using t1. Then I am trying to print the value of data member a in main. So this is possible. Why this is possible? Because if you look at here, this data member a is under public section. So public data member can be used within the class and outside the class. So this is possible. And get ch and return 0 is written. So now if I execute this code, so I am entering the value 12 and 23. So I can see it is 12 and 23. We are just adding clear screen here. So our previous output is erased and you can able to understand it properly. So again I execute the code. It will be asking for some value. I am entering 23 and 45, which is a and b. So it will be printing the value of a is 23, b is 45, and t1 dot a, which is 23. Now I am just uncomment this particular part. What is this? So I am trying to print value of data member b, which is private, outside the class definition. Now I am trying to execute this code, but it will be prompting me an error. Now what is the error? Test scope resolution b is not accessible. Why this happened? This happened because variable b, data member b, which is declared in class here. So it is declared here and it is declared as private. So b cannot be accessible, but a can be. We can see that a is declared as public. So in main function we can able to access t1 dot a, but t1 dot b is not possible. Again I uncomment this particular part, t1 dot show value. Now show value is a member function, but again that member function is under private category. So I'll execute this. I'm getting two errors. Why two errors? One is b is not accessible and second is show value is not accessible. Means both data member and member function which are declared as private cannot be accessible outside the class definition. But here get value, print value and t dot a, all three are, this is a, get value and print value, all three are public variables and declared as public. So it can be used within the class and it can be used outside the class. So this is just for understanding of public and private. Thank you for watching.